Yes, of course, many of the Congress leaders are saying that, this is not about a leadership change. There are, of course, aspirations of some of the leaders in a party like the Congress, which allows for all leaders, of course, to exhibit their full potentials. And some of the MLAs have their own interests. I have Raksha Ramaya here. He was formerly, of course, the Youth Congress president here in Karnataka as well. Now, if you could tell us, you've also been here. You've been speaking to multiple Congress leaders at a time where MLAs are quite openly saying that there needs to be a change. How do you really look at the High Command handle this situation?
Hi Deepak. First of all, there's 224 MLAs, out of which the majority of which are Congress, and a handful of them, maybe a few of them only are asking for a change or are even mentioning a change. All the other MLAs are only worried about their constituencies. They're worried about the 5 guarantees of the Congress party. They're worried about the general public in Karnataka. That is the mood here. There is no intention, obviously there will be some opinions in that matter, but the main meeting here, the agenda here is for how the Congress party has fared in the last 2 years and how the Congress party should be doing in the next 3 years.
An interesting statement that comes in from one of the MLAs, Mr. Iqbal Hussain in particular, saying that it will not fare well for the Congress party in 2028 if a change does not happen now.
It's probably his opinion. He's entitled to his opinion. It is not the opinion of all the other MLAs or the other leaders in the state.
Thank you. Well, that was Raksha Ramaya there speaking to us, saying that he's entitled to his opinion, not the opinion of the party. The conversations here are only revolving around, policy, guarantees and so on.
All right, Deepak there.